Creative team.
consisting of I'm Cindy.
I'm Keisha.
I'm Irfan.
And today we're going to present our behavioral analysis of the movie Toy Story. We choose this movie because it shows clear personality development and many behaviors that can be analyzed using the 4 frameworks we learn in class: the SG, personality, ego state, defense mechanism, SBM, IKI, behavioral assessment. Let's begin with a brief introduction to the movie. Before we start analyzing the characters, we'd like to briefly explain why Toy Story is a good movie for behavioral analysis. Even though it is an animated movie, the characters show emotions that people experience in real life, such as jealousy, insecurity, confidence, disappointment, trust, and friendship.
Toy Story is an animated movie released in 1995 and directed by John Lasseter. The story follows Woody and his favorite toy, whose life changes after Buzz Lightyear arrives as Andy's new toy. At first, Woody sees Buzz as a rival because he is afraid of losing attention. They learn to trust each other and become close friends. We choose Woody and Buzz because both characters show significant personal growth throughout the movie.
Throughout the movie, Woody and Buzz face different situations that change the way think and behave instead of staying the same. Both characters learn from their experience. This is why we think the movie is suitable to be analyzed using the behavioral frameworks that we learn in class. As we explain each framework, we will also show how the characters change from the beginning until the end of the movie.
First, let's look at Woody. Based on our analysis, Woody's DISC personality is steadiness, or S. Even though he becomes jealous at the beginning, he is actually a loyal, responsible, and caring leader. He always tries to protect the other toys and values teamwork. For his ego state, Wood mainly shows the adult ego after realizing his mistakes, and he starts thinking more logically. And Buzz, instead of competing with him.
One interesting thing about Woody is that his personality does not immediately appear positive. At the beginning of the movie, many people may think that Woody is selfish because he becomes jealous of Buzz. However, if we look more carefully, we can see that Woody is actually worried about losing his relationship with Andy. After facing different problems, Woody slowly returns to his natural personality. He starts helping Buzz, encourage the other toys, and focus on protecting everyone instead of thinking only about himself. This shows that people's behavior can change depending on the situation, but their dominant personality traits often become clear after they overcome emotional challenges. We also notice that Woody does not always use the adult ego state. At the beginning, he sometimes lets his emotions control his actions because he feels frustrated and insecure. However, after seeing the consequence of his behavior, Woody becomes more logical. Instead of blaming Buzz, he starts looking for solutions. He communicates better, works together with Buzz, and makes decisions that benefit for everyone. This change is one reason why we believe his adult ego state become more dominant as the story progresses. Woody's main defense mechanism is projection. He believes Buzz wants to replace him as Andy's favorite toy, but actually feelings come from Woody's own insecurity. Looking at Woody through the XBM IKI behavioral assessment, we can see that he developed better emotional intelligence throughout the movie. He becomes more aware of his emotions, manages them better, and rebuilds a strong friendship with Buzz. Overall, Woody grows into better leader by the end of story.
We think Woody's emotional intelligence improves because he becomes more aware of how his emotions affect other people. At first, he only focuses on his own feelings. Later, he realizes that his jealousy creates conflict and makes the situation worse. After understanding this, he learns to control his emotions, trust Buzz, and become more supportive. This development shows that emotional intelligence is not something people are born with. It can improve through experience, reflection, and learning from mistakes.
Next is Buzz Lightyear. We identify Buzz the ISC personality as dominance or D. Buzz is confident, decisive, and action-oriented. He enjoys taking the lead and believes he can handle difficult situations. Although he can be overly confident at first, his courage and determination help both him and Woody overcome challenges together. Now I'll continue by inviting Urfan to explain Buzz's remaining analysis.
Buzz has a very different personality from Woody. While Woody worries about losing his position, Buzz is completely confident in himself. Because he believes he is real space ranger, he approaches every situation with confidence and determination. Although this confidence sometimes causes misunderstandings, it also motivates him to stay positive and continue helping others. This balance between confidence and responsibility is one reason why we identified his personality as dominance.
Okay, the next is Buzz mainly demonstrate the adult ego because he usually makes decisions based on logic and focus on solving problems. His main defense mechanism is denial. At first, Buzz refuses to believe that he is only a toy and insists that he is a real space ranger. After accepting reality, Buzz becomes more emotionally mature and works well with Woody. From the SBM AQ perspective, Buzz improved his self-awareness, communication, and teamwork throughout the movie. And the most important moment in Buzz's character development happens when he discovers that he is actually a toy. This becomes a major emotional challenge because everything he believed about himself suddenly changed. At first, he refused to accept reality. This reaction is understandable because accepting the truth is difficult for many people. And eventually, Buzz learns to accept himself and realize that being a toy still gives him an important purpose, which is making Andy happy. To conclude, both Woody and Buzz experience significant personal growth. Woody learns to overcome jealousy and becomes a more supportive leader, while Buzz learns to accept reality and value teamwork. And after comparing both characters, we found that Woody and Buzz have very different personalities, but they both experience meaningful growth. Woody learns to overcome jealousy while Buzz learns to accept reality. Although their journey are different, both characters become better individuals because they learn from their experience and support each other. This reminds us that personal growth often begins when we face challenges instead of avoiding them.
From Woody, we learn that feeling jealous or insecure is normal. However, what matters most is how we respond to those feelings. If we manage our emotions well, we can build stronger relationships with others. These lessons are not only useful in the movie but also in our daily lives as students.
From Buzz, we learn that confidence is important, but we should also be willing to accept reality and listen to other people's opinions. Being confident doesn't mean refusing to learn.
Finally, this movie reminds us that teamwork is more effective than competition. When people respect each other's strength and communicate well, they can solve problems more successfully.
We often work in groups, complete assignments together, and interact with classmates who have different personalities.
Understanding behavior and emotional intelligence can help us become better teammates. better leaders, and better communicators. Through the DISC personality ego state defense mechanism and SPM AQ frameworks, we can better understand how emotion and personality influence behavior and relationship. Okay guys, that's all from us. Thank you for listening and your attention, and see you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.